Hey there, podcast listeners. Welcome to the Social Red Show, a podcast in which experts and I will share our own personal experiences and strategies on personal branding and social media marketing to become a real life successful practitioner in the world of digital marketing. And make sure, guys and girls, if you like this or if this helps you to gain at least 0.1% of value, then make sure you guys post an honest review on my Instagram ID that is social underscore Vraj underscore 28. So let's get into the episode right after this intro. Hello, people. My name is Braj, a 17-year-old guy and a proud mentee of Digital Pratik. I am a podcaster, a vlogger, and on a path of becoming a 100% successful practitioner and plus building my own personal brand. So let's get into the show right there. Personal branding in this digital marketing platforms, like how can we build our own personal brand on it?
Yeah. So, see, currently, if I consider the situation is such that we only are there, even we are talking digitally, okay? We are having face to face discussion, but not actual face to face discussion. It is screen to screen discussion that,
Yeah, like virtual sort of thing.
Virtual discussion.
yeah, it is now F to F, it is now S to S. That is what the thing is. Not face to face, but it is screen to screen. So, nowadays people are also like that. Ki screens are nowadays very much important in our life. If we are not having power for even 1 hour, it is like, oh shit, what should I do? I have
Well,
only
right
7%
now
battery.
also,
Right now also, like sir, right now also I was just cleaning my this device camera and everything so that मेरा face एकदम proper clean and neat आना चाहिए.
So the thing is that only that people nowadays very much focused about not on him or herself, they are focused about their profiles. Okay, कि मेरा प्रोफाइल तो ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा प्रोफाइल नहीं है तो कोई कुत्ता भी नहीं पूछने वाला मुझे. So this type of things will definitely would be having, which definitely affect and affect both. You can consider. See, if you considering the social media or considering the digital marketing, so these two are different verticals. So for digital marketing, social media is one of the platforms.
Yeah.
Okay. So as you also know that, so now the main thing which comes here is that how you can consider these people online connected with the whole world, and how you can get in touch with these people considering that yes, this is what is me. I don't want to fake out myself. I don't want to give a fake profile to someone, but I want to just convey that this is me. And that is what the originality is. Okay. So if you put something which is very original, that is a different thing. Okay.
Yeah.
So nowadays copies are so much. As you know, we are now banning certain products. Reason behind not COVID, but the copy. Okay. So copying is different than COVID. So that is what the thing is, that if you can consider yourself as the unique one, because see, हमने ये सुना है कि भाई सब यूनिक हैं. Okay, everyone is unique, everyone has something in them that makes them unique, but that is something which you need to come out with. Once you come out, people will accept you, and once you clear it out on social media platform, by any means of platform that you are using, people will definitely want to follow you. That is what it is.
Yeah, that's pretty impressive. So thank you very much, guys and girls, for listening my whole episode. It's like I'm very much grateful to it that you guys gave at least few minutes to me, and I hope you guys got to learn or you guys gained some or the other value. If yes, then you can share it on Instagram by taking the screenshot and tag me in the story. I'll definitely give you a shout out there. Also, if you have any questions related to digital marketing or building your own personal brand, then for sure you guys can ask me on my Instagram ID. So that's it from me. Once again, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time on the Social Vraj Show. Till then, upgrade your skills up to its best and execute like anything. If you like this, then like, share, and subscribe, and please hit the bell icon